In this video, let me show you how to use your Chase credit journey free credit score. So if you're trying to look at the credit score that you have on your Chase account, let me show you the exact way on how you can reach this section. You'll need to first of all log into your account, scroll past your accounts on the home page where you'll be able to see the option called Chase credit journey. You can simply tap on this option, and if this is your first time using it or trying to view it, you need to just tap on the enroll option or confirm your personal details. You'll be able to view your credit score exactly being displayed on the top, so you can take a look at this information as soon as you visit this page. Now the way that you use it is your score refreshes every 7 days when you log in, and it allows you to track changes in real time. So make sure you log in every once in a while, or maybe even once every 7 days, look at the changes that is being made. Also, you can tap on the credit card report or the overviews tab on the bottom to view your total open accounts, your credit card utilization, even your hard inquiries and the public records. So using the overview section, you can take a look at all of the information for this particular credit score that you have. So this is the exact way on how you use it. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.